Bugsy. So welcome to all our new followers on Instagram and YouTube. Just a quick walk through on the workshop so you can see what we can do. Jake's redoing Brian's Intruder. That's having a whole new front end. I've got to be quick because I've only got a minute and a half apparently. Jake's Ducati 900. Lovely bike. Just to show you, with now the spray booths in action. This has all been done in-house and that will be coming up for sale very soon. We still have the good old style. This is a knicker dropper that is having a 600 Bandit engine in it. Obviously much improved over the years. This is fully tagged, just waiting for the exhaust clamps, and then that can go to powder coaters. This is a mini chop frame that will be going up to the Orkney Islands, having a pit bike engine. Again, fully tagged. There you go. There's the difference. Mini bike, full-size bike. Mini bike. Cookie crumble. Jerry's Harley, or as Dutch at the bike shed calls it, the big red hog. All polished and ready for our Meet the Makers up at the bike shed tomorrow morning. Come and see us. Come and have a chat with us. This is my old favourite. We've done a lot of builds based on this, but now it's time to move on. Thanks for watching.